Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video. So in this video, we'll try to solve a algebraic equation, which is a plus b whole square, which is a plus b whole square. As we know, the answer will be a square plus 2ab plus b square. So we'll try this it on Python. How we're gonna do? Let's see. So here I am. This is my Python. I have created a file is m.py. We'll declare a variable which is a is equal. We'll type an integer. It's an integer value. We'll declare. We'll take an input from user, which is this. So your enter the value of a equal to this. Now type for b. It's also integer value. We'll type input here and enter the value of b is equal to this. Now let's store this value into a result, and we also declare a variable also named result. Result is equal to, so first of all, a square, which is a, our variable is here. We're gonna multiply with a, so it will be become a square multiplied by a. Now we're gonna give a plus, which is 2ab. Will multiply 2 into a value into v value. Then we're gonna plus, here we'll multiply with b square, b with b. So our result is done. Let's print the result, the overall answer. So print here. So the answer is, keep a comma and plus. No need to plus, we can type result here. Result, I think that would be give you our answer. So let's type a value is 2, b is 3, answer should be 25. Yes. So this is how we completed this algebraic equation in Python. In next video we'll see more. Thank you. Thank you for watching.